Hey, welcome to this Yoonla review. Yoonla has finally evolved and I'm so excited to bring you this video. As you know, I made a few videos about Yoonla and I absolutely love Yoonla. It's one of the best ways to start making money as a beginner. If you haven't started making money online and you're looking for a program that's very easy to understand and that you don't have to do much of the work yourself, they actually do a lot of the work for you. This is a perfect solution. And if you go here, you can see my commissions from the last 2 months have been in total $1,044. So how can you get started with Yoonla? What is it all about? I'm going to do a very in-depth review of the platform and how you can join as well. So below this video, there is a link to my affiliate link to Yoonla Evolve. And here you can sign up right here with your name and your email address. You create your account and then you activate it in your email. So you actually get an email from them and then you have to activate your account. Now, I'm going to be very transparent with you guys that when you sign up with this link, I will get some money. I will get $4 if you're from the US, UK, English speaking countries. There are a few more, and if you're not from one of those countries, I will get $2. And this is what this program is about. You'll have to get people to sign up to this page, but it's completely free. So getting people to sign up for free is so much easier than getting people to buy a product. Like if you're doing affiliate marketing, you have to sell a product like for $49 or $1,000, and that's way harder than just getting people to sign up for free, and you get $4 or $2 for that. So when you sign up right here and you go to your email, you will get taken to this page right here, and you can see the intro to Yoonla Evolve. So we can just see the awesome intro that they made. So here is Reino van Boven, and he is the founder of Yoonla, and he is a New Zealander, and he's been making money online and starting online businesses for I think 8 years. He's an excellent marketer. He knows what he's doing, and that's why he wanted to create this platform, Yoonla, to get very like newbie beginners to start making money online, and I think he's doing a very good job. I love Reno. He is interacting a lot on the Facebook group as well. He's always here and chatting with people and helping people out. And inside of here we have all these lessons, and we also have Evolve Elite that's coming soon and certified, which I'm very excited about. I believe they have a lot of things coming that can make a lot of money. So you'll actually have to pay to become an affiliate of this program. And right here you can see all you have to do. So you'll have to create a autoresponder, get response, which is an email autoresponder, or you can call it an email marketing software, which sends out emails for you automatically. And this is something I use every single day. I'm using it, like every single online business is using this tool. So if you're starting, or if you just started, if you haven't gotten an email autoresponder, this is the perfect opportunity for you to get this. Like this is what I teach in my course as well, how to use this email marketing effectively, but you'll also get 15 emails that you can just plug right into this and get way higher conversions. So this is the first thing that you need, $15 right here. And then also you need a web hosting plan, which is basically a website. So you'll have to create a website and they will install their software for you. And this is very important. You cannot choose the basic plan because they actually need this right here, programming languages, PHP and Perl. If you see in the basic plan, they don't have these program languages and they can't install the software. So it's very important that you choose the advanced plan. And once again, like this is why I love Yoonla, because you'll get a get response email service, which I use, and you'll also get a website, which every business has. Like I don't really know any online businesses that doesn't have a website. So again, if you're a beginner, you can get a website. It's also fairly cool that they've actually gotten a coupon code for you, so you can get this for 50% off. So it's normally right here $8, so you can get it for $4. So that's the two tools that you'll have to get to be able to upgrade to an elite member and start seeing the commissions and start this program for yourself. a get response email automation software, which is basically something everyone should have, and a website, which also everyone should have. And when you've done this, you just go to activate your elite upgrade, and this is right here, activate your evolve elite. So you just click that, and then you have to type in every single thing, like here, the domain name, username, password, to gain access so they can actually install that to your website, and a couple of other things as well, where they'll go into your get response and install all the 15 emails to convert leads better. And that's all you have to do. You click continue right here, and they will upgrade you to an elite member. Also, in a couple of days, I'm going to make a very in-detail guide of how I'm using Yoonla, how I make money with Yoonla, and how you can do the same. You only get that if you put my referrer affiliate ID in right here, and I'll have that in the description as well. So if you put that in, you send me an email to andyhefel@gmail.com, and you take a screenshot of, hey, I signed up through your link, I will get you access to that video. I'm going to show you how to drive traffic with Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter. It's something I've been doing for quite a while, and I'm going to make a long video, or have however long it takes, where I go through every single step that you can do to get profitable from this video, but only if you put my affiliate ID right here, because then you become my VIP member and we can have a little group of people sharing methods. I'm going to create a secret Facebook group just for those VIP members of mine. So if you want to join this right now, go to the Yoonla Evolve. The link is right down in the description. So go down there right now and sign up. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one.